What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Here we have a Maisto, 3 pieces of Maisto. We got tough gears and we have fresh metal, but they're all from Maisto. You can pretty much find this one in this packaging and this one in that packaging, so I mean, pretty much is the same. So these are sold in HEB here, and these are more found in like Dollar Tree, the dollar stores and stuff like that, mainly Dollar Tree. But yeah, we got a Ford Taurus, we got a Rosewood, and a Volkswagen New Beetle. So I'm gonna start with the Rosewood. It's a very weird and cool car, so check that out. So these cars do not come with rubber wheels, do not come in like a heavy metal. It's mainly plastic and only that part metal. The wheels are plastic, and in my opinion they usually come like this, like the whole wheel is the rim, and it has the, you see right there, the black inside the wheel. So yeah, they're pretty cool. I mean, these are pretty they're cheaper than $1, so I mean, you get what you're paying for, I'm assuming. So see the grill, there's nothing there. So the cars are simple, they're basic. These are like, I guess they're fantasy cars, but very cool still. It looks beastly. And let's check out this Taurus, and packaging is already damaged because I already had these for a while. It's hard for me to find Maisto cars that I really like, and I got this one because it's like a NASCAR, so very cool. We got right there, it says add dynamics. We have another realride.com racing number 44. You got the Maisto logo there, and then once again in the hood, add dynamics number 44. So yeah, lately I've been trying to look for these like NASCAR racing vehicles. See, no tampos on the back, a little bit of detail on the roof. I'm really not sure what that is, but very cool, nice and lightweight. So there you go. Now the Volkswagen, you can see at least the Volkswagen has the emblem and the lights just simply painted, no details. Still, it's a Volkswagen, it's a Beetle. These are also tough to find. I like it. I'm more a fan of the old Beetles, but this one is very cool. It's a little Beetle, man. Who doesn't like Beetles? And in this like green, avocado green, very cool. I like the color, I like the vehicle. From all these, this is my favorite. And then it would have to be the Ford Taurus and then the Rosewood. But very cool. For being Maisto and being like what, 78 cents or something like that, not bad. So like for like if you are having fun with the kids and you don't want to, I mean, if you're a collector and you don't want to, you know, give them the good cars, or you know, you can get some of these and the kids won't know the difference in the cars either way. But very cool. That is Maisto and tough gears, fresh metal and tough gears by Maisto. Very cool. I hope you guys are having a great day. Good luck hunting, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.